For today's session, we're going to have our hip against the wall in a kneeling position, and we'll work on our openers. We're going to tap your palm and focus on rotating hand and head move together. Hand follows the hand and rotate. Very good. Breathing in and exhaling. And each repetition, try to open up as much as you can. Try and get deeper on each rotation. Perfect. Bring it in and open up. We're going to hold a little small delay on every rep after here. Back forward and open up and hold it. Hold and tilt. If you could grab your leg, you want to get as deep as a stretch as you can. And again, find your comfort level and release and tilt back. Again, I'm holding on from my ankle for support. Helps me get a little bit deeper into the stretch. Rise back up and one more. Nice deep hold. Again, my back is flush against the wall. And we're going to transition to the other side, guys. You're going to kneel and place your hip against the wall, and we're going to work on our openers. Now, if you're doing this from home, you might want to have a pillow under your knee. Very good. Bring it in, breathe in, exhale, and turn. Remember, your head follows your hand. Breathe in and rotate. Breathing in, exhale, and rotate. Good. Bring it forward. And exhale and rotate. Breathing in, exhale and turn. Breathe in, exhale and turn. And tap your palm and open up. Very good. Each repetition, try to take advantage again as deep as you can and open. Very good. We're going to hold and tilt. And again, if you could go all the way back, feel free to do so. If not, just go to your ability. We're gonna tilt back and arch. Very good. Bring it back down and tilt and lean back and hold. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it back down. From here, we're going to transition to a seated position. You're going to put your elbows and palms against the wall, and with force, you're going to push your hands against the wall like you're trying to break through, and push the back of your head against the wall as well. We're going for muscular contraction. You should feel a little bit of burning in the back of your shoulders and in the back of your neck. It's an isometric contraction, and release it, shake it out. And we're going to do another repetition, and you want to really push your elbows into that wall and head against the wall. If your palms don't go all the way back, focus on the elbows driving into the wall. You should feel your back shoulders burning at this point. Good pressure. Hold it. A few more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. And we're going to transition to our final pose, belly down. You want to climb your hands up the wall, and we're going to get as high as we can within our ability, and we're going to drop our head and chest back down. You should have a good amount of pressure on your hands against the wall, modifier at the top. We're going to hang out here, and you just focus on breathing. Now, if this bothers your shoulders, you can put your hands as wide as you need to so it doesn't bother your shoulders too much. You want to feel a good stretch across your chest and your back opening up. We're just going to hang out here and breathe. With each breath, try to bring your chest and head closer to the ground. Don't force it, just let gravity take you down. And we're going to hang out here. Very good. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're going to bring our hands down nice and slow, nice and slow. Pull them into a push-up position and press into cobra, stretching out, pull those shoulders back. Transition in the child pose. Bring your chest down and hold here.